Ladies and gentlemen, hello, all of you are welcome. Delicious and healthy vegetable soup recipe. Materials needed to make a mixed vegetable soup for 100 people. 1.2 liters liquid sunflower oil, 1 kilogram of sifted wheat flour, mixed vegetables condiment, granulated sugar, white pepper powder, onion condiment, chicken powder bouillon, salt, 1 liter liquid cream without sugar, 600 grams of boiled peas, 250 grams of boiled grain of corn to be used, a plate of dill, 250 grams of mushrooms, 1 kilogram of carrot and 1 kilogram of green zucchini. Peel the carrots and cut their ends. Peeled carrots need to be cut very small. I will do the journey with industrial machinery. Carrots will not be shredded way. You can chop the size of peas with the knife. Cut the zucchini ends and cut off the core with a blade. Cut the zucchini to the same size as the other ingredients. Chop the mushrooms and wash them several times after chopping. Wide and deep pots for soup. Set your stove at medium temperature. Add liquid sunflower oil and wait for it to warm a little. Sunflower oil. After warming up, add chopped carrots and zucchini. Mix the ingredients in the whey for 10 minutes. You can help recipes to see and reach more people by liking videos. You can make this video popular by liking. Thanks to everyone who supported me in this manner. Wash the chopped mushrooms. Wash the mushroom until they are white. Add and mix the mushrooms without water. Add 1 kilogram of flour. Mix vegetables, add condiment. Cooker temperature may need to be set to low. White powdered pepper and powder, add onion condiment. Add the chicken bouillon and mix. Add salt and sugar. Increase the temperature of the hob and add boiling water. Add cold water if you think there will be clumping. I'm always using boiling water. Do not add or mix a small amount of water. Mix after adding a large amount of water. Add a total of 25 liters of boiling water and quickly mix. Chop the boiling peels with a mixer. You need to wash the blended peas in such a way that there is no green color. Wash it at least 3 times. This is important for a white soup. Chop with 250 grams boiled corn mixture. Wash the corns once. Take the foam formed on the boiled soup. Add peas. Add corn. Add sugar-free liquid cream by mixing the soup. Finely chop dill and add to the soup. Do not boil too much after adding cream. The consistency of the soup should be very fluid and not very solid. The consistency you see is very good. Creamy mixed vegetable soup ready to be served. Soup serve in porcelain bowls. We have come to the end of a detailed video description prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the video and supported me. Goodbye again for a new recipe video.